Hi guys, here is how you can split screen on Windows. Open your browser and search for PowerToys. This is the one, click on it and install PowerToys. Here are the requirements. Install PowerToys and you can download this exe file and install it. The other alternative is you can open the Microsoft Store. Here is it. Search for PowerToys. This is the one and install. So it has been installed. Let me close this. After installing, you will find PowerToys in the taskbar. Right click and click on Settings. So here is the PowerToys. Now to split screen, you can click on Windowing and Layouts and go to Fancy Zones. Now to activate it, you can use this shortcut Windows + Shift + single quote. You can change this as well if you want. Let me quickly press it. Now you can choose the layout, columns, rows, etc. You can also edit it if you want. You can split screens up to 128 zones. For now, let me just do 3 at this time, and you can do other changes too. Save it and simply double click on it. So this is done. Let me open the browser. You can reduce the size or it will do it automatically. You only have to press Shift to move to the screen you want. Let me also open a notepad and I will put it here in the middle. And you can open another app and place it in the first place. Press Shift and put it here. So it is much easier to work, especially for data entry jobs and others. And it works all fine. And if you want to come out of it, press the same shortcut key and you can choose No Layout and double click on it and it is all done. Now nothing will happen if you press Shift. Please do give it a try. Thank you very much.